fact, provision has gone up. That's what I was telling. About 200 crores provision is made extra. But in spite of that, we were able to achieve a better profitability during the current year. There is no windfall gain during the current year, current quarter. There is no treasury profit or something like that. This is a core interest income which has gone up substantially, which helped us to do better than the comparable quarter of the last year.
The early signals of recovery and better performance. Do you see the profitability being much better in the second half of this year?
It should be. So in fact, our target is about 900 crores. Okay, where so far what we have reached is not even 300 crores. So we are raising to find out whether we can make the remaining 600 crores also in the second quarter. If the agriculture advances are rolled over to the fullest extent, and if you are able to reach a reasonable credit growth and a good NPA recovery as it is happening now, 900 crores seems to be a possibility in the year end.
Sorting out payment issues.
Right.
What is your current exposure there, and what is the indications you have got from the government with regard to payments, and how is the situation now?
700 crores is a total exposure in the Telangana side, and we have got 25% and credited to the account. So the accounts are getting rolled over. So the remaining payments, government has not given a deadline. I think it will be done over a period of next 2-3 years at 25% each. What the government says, as and when they find the money, they will be in a position to pay back. Even if they pay 25% per year, it should be fine enough. Over a period of 4 years, they will be in a position to pay. Farmers will also get the money at the appropriate time. AP government has made a concrete commitment stating that 20% will pay. Because the liability of the AP government is almost 35,000 crores. So they cannot pay 25% because liability here is only 17,000 crores. So AP government is committed. The only thing is, before giving, they want to eliminate the multiple accounts and the fraudulent accounts. So for which the data is to be submitted by the banks to the government on a specified format. So this submission is to be online submission. As far as Andhra Bank is concerned, we have submitted 100% data. As far as the industry as a whole is concerned, only 91% data has come so far. The biggest bank in the country, they are yet to submit some more data. If they also submit it, they have given, last date is, final date is over. In between, the Visakhapatnam Srikakulam problem has come. As this is to be transferred online, they are not able to submit the data because that's all connectivity is lost. Probably we are given the time up to 31st of this month, before which all the data is to be submitted. Once the data is submitted, the multiple loans will be eliminated. Then the real eligible borrowers will be identified. Otherwise, the Agriculture Corporation has been sorted already. They already opened the account with us. 20% of the money will be transferred to this account, and eligible borrowers will be given 20%.